Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old sage. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and the remarkable ability to help people activate their conscious minds. One sunny morning, a group of boys and girls from the village approached an old sage seeking his guidance. They had heard stories about the power of conscious thinking and were eager to unlock this hidden potential within themselves. With a gentle smile, the old wise sage agreed to share his wisdom. "Dear friends," the old wise sage began, "activating your conscious mind is like discovering the treasure hidden within your own heart. It starts with a deep understanding of who you are and what truly matters to you." The group nodded in earnest, ready to learn. The old wise sage continued, "Self-reflection. The first step on this journey is to spend time in quiet self-reflection. Find a peaceful place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Ask yourself, what are my deepest desires? What are my strengths and weaknesses? What brings me joy? By understanding yourself, you activate your conscious mind. The second step is mindful breathing. Conscious breathing is a powerful tool. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and then exhale slowly. Focus only on your breath, letting go of all distractions. In this moment, your conscious mind awakens. The third step is embrace curiosity. Always be curious, like a child discovering the world. Ask questions, explore new ideas, and seek knowledge. When you feed your mind with curiosity, your conscious mind flourishes. The fourth step, the mindful observation. Pay attention to your surroundings. Observe the beauty of nature, the people you meet, and the details of your daily life. When you engage your senses in the present moment, you activate your conscious awareness. The fifth one is gratitude. Every day, express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Focus on the positive aspects, no matter how small. Gratitude opens your conscious mind to the abundance around you. Sixth step is meditation. Meditation is a profound practice. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and let your thoughts flow without judgment. Over time, you will gain better control of your thoughts, allowing your conscious mind to shine. Seventh step is to learn continuously. Never stop learning. Read books, listen to wise individuals, and seek knowledge in various fields. A curious mind is an active, conscious mind. As the days passed, a group of teenagers diligently followed the old wise sage's guidance. They embraced self-reflection, mindful breathing, curiosity, and all the other practices he had shared. Slowly but surely, they felt their conscious minds awaken.